Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Juke service light. Start by turning your Nissan Juke's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the handbrake is engaged. This initial step prepares your car's system for the reset process. You will then need to locate the trip computer buttons, usually found near the instrument cluster, which allow you to navigate through the vehicle's settings. Now, press the Info button on your dashboard repeatedly. This button cycles through various displays on your instrument panel. Continue pressing until you reach the Settings or Maintenance menu. Once there, you will use the up and down arrow buttons, typically located near the Info button, to scroll through the available options and find the correct selection. With the Settings menu open, navigate to and select Maintenance using the Enter button. Within the Maintenance submenu, you will find options like Service or Oil Change. Highlight the appropriate option. To perform the reset, press and hold the Enter button for about 3 seconds. This action will clear the service reminder, indicating that the maintenance has been completed. After holding the Enter button, the service light on your Nissan Juke's dashboard should turn off, confirming a successful reset. To fully verify, turn your ignition completely off, wait a few moments, and then restart the engine. The light should remain off. If the service light is still illuminated, simply repeat these steps from the beginning to ensure all selections were made correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.